All right, welcome back to our word building workshop using sounds. So what sounds will you need for this lesson? You're going to need S, and let's make it a capital because we'll make a name with that. So then we're going to need also, we're going to make another capital letter. You're going to need a capital letter because we'll be making a name with that. Also another capital A. Okay. And so you'll need those capital letters. And I think one more, yeah. You'll need also this capital letter. So make sure you have those ready, okay? And then we're going to need some consonant sounds, common sounds. T, S, K. Put that over there. You're going to need D, D, B. You're going to need B. Get B ready also. Okay. And let's see. Push these up a bit. A little messy here, but just making sure you have everything you need. Ah. You're going to need ah. You're going to need O. And one final one, you're going to need All right, great. So gather your letters so we can create words with the sounds that those letters stand for. Remember, we're making words by putting sounds together. And when we put letters together, those letters actually stand for sounds. The alphabet, all of the names of the letters in the alphabet stand for sounds. Great. Pause the video and go and get your sounds, your letter sounds. Okay. All right, you're back. So I'm going to put these away now, and I'm going to begin our workshop today with S. And I'm going to add a vowel sound, A. And one more vowel sound. Are you ready for this one? O. Let me push it over here now so you can see. And what do I have? S, A, O. The name, Sal. Sal. Isn't that great? Sal. And I made Sal by adding a capital letter, which stands for S, A, O. By the way, did you notice with all the words we're making that if I remove the vowel sound, I can't really have a word, right? Sl. That's not a word. I need a vowel sound. And so when I add my vowel sound, now I have this beautiful word, Sal. Sal is my best friend. Well, watch. Look at what we can do. I can actually take away the S sound. So do that with me. Remove it. Take it. Remove it. Okay, put it on the side. And let's add capital H, which is the H sound. H stands for H, capital H, or any H stands for H. Now, look what I've done. I have made Hal. My other best friend's name is Hal. Hal, another name. What if you had another best friend and his name was Cal? What letter do you think I would need to add to create the word cow? Yes, you are correct. I would add K. The letter C stands for K. And I would make this new name Cal. You see that? Cal. That's my new name. My other best friend's name is Cal. Cal. One word, three sounds. Cal. So I've had Cal, I have Hal, I have Sal, but watch this. I just have another best friend. His name is Al. But because it's a name, I'm going to put a capital there. And now I have Al. One word, two sounds. Al. 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 See how I'm making words? Great. Now Let's see if we can make some other words using some other sounds. We're going to take this A out of the way. Take our O out of the way. Ah. Put our vowel sound back. Ah. And we're going to put this word together that we did before. D. Add. Okay. D. Add. Now, I can make a series of words just by adding one more sound to these sounds. Let's try it. What if I wanted to make the word bad, bad? What letter do you think I would need to add? Ah, yes, you're correct. I would add the letter B because it stands for B. And now I have b-add, bad. That was a bad decision. He was not really a bad boy. Bad. But what if I wanted to make another word and I just wanted to say, hey, you know what? I feel terrible. I feel really sad. What letter do you think I would add? Are you thinking about it? I want to make the word sad, sad. What do you think I'll add? Well, you're correct. I'm going to add add, sad. And notice I'm just adding another sound to these two sounds to create even more words. Sad. I can just make some other words too. What if I wanted to make the word cad? What letter or what sound would I add? You're correct. I would add add, cad, cad. What if I wanted to make the word had? He had 3 pennies in his pocket. I would add the word. What letter would I add? I wanted to make the word had. What are you thinking? Yes, add, had, add, had. Now I've made these great words just by adding one more sound. I'm not finished yet. I want to make words with the letter B. So let's see now if we can move these out of the way. B, a, and I'm going to make the word ban. I'm going to need, let's see, here we go. Ban. What do you think I'll add? Ban. I'm going to make the word ban. What if I say I needed a baseball bat? What letter or sound would I add to these two sounds to make the word bat? You guessed it. T, bat, t, bat.